other driver had insurance, but you know as well as I do that his insurance company is going to do everything they can to make sure you get as little as possible. And on top of that, they might even have you take a recorded statement and then possibly use that against you down the road. So what to do? You need a law firm that deals with personal injury. You need a law firm that D Magazine calls one of the best personal injury attorneys in all of Dallas. You need Tate Law Offices. They know how to get it right by doing it right, and you will benefit greatly.
I think there's a lot of satisfaction from helping people that really need help. It's a classic struggle of powerful corporation versus an individual who really cannot fight a corporation. And when I say corporation, I mean a big insurance company. They have tremendous amounts of power, and they use that power in numerous ways to try to beat down injured victims, to not pay them fair value for their claims.
Claire, can you tell us your responsibilities day to day in the firm?
I work in the litigation area of car wrecks, car collisions, whether it be 18-wheeler wrecks, drunk driver wrecks. We handle everything with regards to the wreck for our clients.
If I'm a client on the outside and I suddenly say I need an attorney, what are the benefits to come to your firm?
People need health care. And there are certain people in our economy who are fortunate enough to have health insurance or a health benefit that gives them access to medical care. There's also a large percentage of the population at this point that's uninsured by health insurance. And so one of the things that we provide people access to, if we can, is we provide them access to highly skilled, well-qualified doctors, orthopedic specialists, physical therapists, radiologists that can perform MRIs to diagnose injuries and to treat these injuries.
We want to advise them on every aspect of their case. We want them to be very knowledgeable so that they can make very wise decisions about how we go forward and how they go forward with regards to their case.
We always encourage our clients not to settle anything at all until they're completely treated, completely diagnosed. The reason is you can't go back and settle a claim twice. An insurance company won't pay $1 on a case until they get a full release. Once they get that full release, that absolves them from any more liability. They don't ever have to come back and pay you anything else. If you try to settle too quickly and you don't have a complete snapshot of all your injuries, if something pops up 6 months down the road, you can't go back and settle it again. That's why we always highly encourage our people to step back, get treated, get diagnosed, make sure you're well, and then we only consider a settlement or litigation once we have a very clear understanding of what the injuries are, because people need to get paid for all of their injuries, all of their damages.
When it's time to call it a day and lock that door, what do you cherish most about what you've been able to accomplish during the course of your day?
Anytime you can step in for somebody who needs help, and especially somebody who needs help against somebody that's big and somebody that's typically giving somebody else some abuse, if there's something you can do to make their lives better, get them what they need, fight for them when they need it, there's a lot of satisfaction in that.
You need a law firm that D Magazine calls one of the best personal injury attorneys in all of Dallas. You need Tate Law Offices. They know how to get it right by doing it right, and you will benefit greatly.